Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Andrew Nakis here again, coming in hot from my computer. About a month and a half, 2 months since my last kind of VradCAD dev blog update, but super excited with the progress I've been making. I've just been not working a lot on this like 3D spatial computing stuff and been developing like VR apps for another secret project that I'm excited to share with you guys in due time. But I did have a little bit of extra time this past weekend to make an update to the open source OpenBrush VR, kind of the tilt brush clone, and excited to talk about it a little bit and jump into kind of the features that I added. So, kind of starting off, it's the same kind of layout. I can draw, change my brush around. It's exactly kind of how tilt brush is. But then I did actually had the ability to kind of change the environment around a little bit. So now I can remove the ground and actually change the environment that we're in. So now we're in space, white, um, night sky, or blue sky. And ground can be on or off. Let's bring it to gray just because I kind of like the neutral aspect of it. And then so the other big thing, I mean, the brushes are still the same, but I added this new feature so I can do flat brush, cylinder brush. I added this new feature called that I'm excited to like expand upon because it's something that I haven't really seen in any kind of these drawing apps that have come out. And that's like right now we're in like free form mode where you kind of just draw by moving your controller through the space. But the interesting thing is you can actually go point build mode, which is essentially like a line segment creation tool. So I can then go in, place 2 points down, and now build a mesh kind of based on line segments. And like the exciting thing is like I'm gonna like add another feature to like then be able to like smooth out the points and actually like create like a very nice curved line, because actually some of my friends have been talking about how they wish they could draw better curved lines in tilt brush. And I feel like this could be like a really cool feature to add to that. You can break the to like undo and break your line chain. Right now you have to press break. There will be like hotkeys obviously. And then also with like the undo manager, I will probably try to add this stuff to kind of right now you can undo after you draw kind of a line segment. After you break the line segment, you can undo it. Kind of in the future, hopefully, as I'm kind of placing these lines down, I'll be able to undo the line segment creations. And I don't think that will be that tricky. I just need to kind of write another undo method to undo these specific things. But besides that, like this stuff's very rough. Actually, you see with the cylinder, if I draw points, it starts really tiny for some reason. And then also like as I'm drawing points with sharp angles, it doesn't match up perfectly. And so definitely working on fixing these issues. Actually, the flat brush cylinder kind of I had kind of even more problems with. You can see it actually doesn't update. So I click right now and then it updates the previous one, and then I click again and it updates the next one. So it's like essentially running like a step behind. And like the obvious way to fix this is to like have it just do 2 points down, so then it just jumps to the front. And I could do that with the cylinder brush. But the problem was with the line brush, if I were to put 2 points really close together, I don't know if I can emulate it here just because there's slight movement. The lines, they become draw triangles instead of quads. So I think I just need to understand, kind of break down what the what it means to kind of be to do quads that way, because I'm looking to expand it to like new shapes and everything. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, like I'm excited where this is going. It really, I mean, I like eventually the goal is to add all of the, if not and more features that are in Tilt Brush, and then also like add a lot of these like newer features that I wish Tilt Brush had, but they don't. So, I mean, that's kind of the basis of it. Really, really stoked at what's the possibility of, you know, creating an open source kind of 3D spatial creation app, because like to me, like the hopefully, or what I was talking about this with some people was like, this could be potentially like the Gimp of spatial computing. And so, yeah, it's exciting. Definitely fired up to see what's happening, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, it will be sooner than a month. It will be probably in the next week or two is the plan. So, peace out, guys. Catch you for the next video. Thanks. Peace.